60 Green Tea Toner for Acne-Prone Skin. Acnes are embarrassing and make the skin look unhealthy, patchy and undernourished. There are many reasons for acne, which is unhealthy and poor diet and lifestyle, excess oil or oily skin, seasonal changes, etc. To fight acne, women frequently find cosmetic products which often fail to give effective results. Here are some cool green tea toners which you can try at your home for getting rid of the acne and getting radiant and glowing skin. The acne can also lead to painful situations and itching and burning sensations. These home remedies would surely provide you amazing, clear, and beautiful skin which is infection and inflammation. Number 1. Azadirachta indica leaves with green tea. If you are aware about the Azadirachta indica leaves, you would surely know the natural benefits of this amazing ingredient. The Azadirachta indica leaves are highly beneficial in fighting skin issues like odor, smell, acne, pimples, infections and many more. Azadirachta indica leaves are the herbal remedy for all the skin issues which makes your skin more damaged. Mix some green tea and neem leaf water and apply this cool toner on your face regularly for cool results. Number 2. Fenugreek powder and green tea. Fenugreek powder is also one of the cool ingredients which makes the skin beautiful by fighting acne, pimples and while reduce the greasiness and oiliness on your skin. Mix some fenugreek water and green tea and apply this cool mix on your acne-prone skin. Few applications of this mask would make your skin free from acne soon. Number 3. Lemon juice with green tea toner. Lemon juice is not only the ingredient which makes the skin from marks, dark patches and rafts, but also it makes the skin free from acne. This amazing ingredient is filled with skin cleansing properties which would enhance your skin by fighting the issues like pimples and acne. Also, it makes the skin rid of extra greasiness and maintains the balance. Mix some lemon juice and green tea and apply this toner on your acne skin and get cool results. Number 4. Tea tree oil and green tea toner. This essential oil works wonders on the acne-prone skin. If you have extremely oily and patchy skin and suffer from acne regularly, here is an amazing herbal treatment which would soon get you rid of this issue. Mix some green tea and tea tree oil and apply the mask on your face and affected areas. Leave it for 15 minutes and rinse. This mask would get you cool results just in few applications. Number 5. Lavender oil with green tea. Just like the other essential oils, lavender oil with its lingering fragrance and cool aromatic texture would get you rid of the acne and pimples in a glorious way. Mix some lavender oil and green tea and apply this toner on your acne-infected skin. Let it work for 15 minutes and then rinse. This mask would get your skin from acne soon. Number 6. Green tea with baking soda. This amazing mixture is exclusively made for these who have immensely greasy and oily skin and face with high amount of acne. With seasonal changes and conditions, oily skin soon develops acne which are quite tough to fight. This cool toner would get you rid of the acne along with maintaining the proper balance of skin moisture. Mix some baking soda and green tea and apply this mixture and watch the amazing results.